Hi children, hope everyone is fine at your respective places. I welcome back you to the class. Today I would like to teach you grammar part, that is prepositions. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other word in the sentence. So already in the previous class you came to know you have 8 parts of speech. Preposition also a part of speech. So here preposition is a word. It is placed before a noun or before a pronoun to show relation to some other word in the sentence. Example, I spoke to Raja. We are fond of poetry. Ramya has good command over English. So in these 3 sentences, I have given you with green mark. Those are prepositions. Those words are prepositions. To, of, over. Here, preposition gives you, or preposition makes a sentence a relation to other word in the sentence. Now, kinds of prepositions. There are 5 kinds of prepositions. Simple prepositions, double prepositions, compound prepositions, participial prepositions, phrase prepositions. Children, be clear. How many kinds of prepositions we have? We have 5 kinds of prepositions. Now let us see simple prepositions. Prepositions which are not formed by any method and which are common to a language are known as simple prepositions. Understand clearly, ma'am? Prepositions which are common to a language are known as simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are as follows: at, by, for, from, down, under, out, on, with, but, up, to, after, over, off, round, in, though, etc. So these are the few examples for simple prepositions. Now let us see these simple prepositions in a sentence. It is an example sentence. She is at the bus stop. Padmaja is killed by her husband. Madhavi is praised for her beauty. I received a letter from my sister. He fell off the bus. Raman talked on pollution. So each and every sentence you check, it is given with a pink color word, that is a preposition. So as per the structure, as per the definition, preposition makes a sentence a good relation, either before a noun or before a pronoun. Now you can see these examples here. She is at the bus stop. Padmaja is killed by her husband. Madhavi is praised for her beauty. I received a letter from my sister. He fell off the bus. Raman talked on pollution. Hope children you understood well. Double prepositions. Prepositions which contain 2 words are known as double prepositions. So in simple prepositions we came to know a word. In double prepositions it shows 2 words which shows the same relation before a noun or a pronoun, but here it is a double preposition. Examples: out of, close to, next to, inclusive of, owing to, according to, due to, near to, instead of, in spite of. These are the few examples for double prepositions. Now let us see these double prepositions in usage, or let us see examples of double prepositions sentences. I recognized Madhavi from among her friends. The moon shone from behind the clouds. She took the book from under the pillow. So here in these three sentences, I used three different colors to make you clear idea about double prepositions. In the first sentence, from among. In the second sentence, from behind. In the third sentence, from under. And always double prepositions need not take place in a sentence. Be clear, children. Double prepositions can't be used in all the situations and in all the sentences. According to the sentence, according to the situation, we have to use these double prepositions. Now these example sentence also let us observe. According to Keats, a thing of beauty is joy forever. A word used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. The match was cancelled due to heavy rain. Miss Ramya lives next to us. So in these four sentences, once again I have marked with a different color. According to in the first sentence, instead of in second sentence, due to in the third sentence, next to in the fourth sentence. So here, according to Keats, thing of beauty is joy forever. A word used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. The match was cancelled due to heavy rain. Miss Ramya lives next to us. So here these double prepositions used in proper sentences. Now there is a post office opposite to our house. She came out of the house. I went close to Madhavi. In spite of her beauty, she remained unmarried. So here in this slide, I have shown you the prepositions with a red color. And each and every preposition which I have shown you is a double preposition. There is a post office opposite to our house. She came out of the house. I went close to Madhavi. In spite of her beauty, she remained unmarried. I hope children you understand very well. We will see the remaining in the next session. Thank you.